Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI, and these chili cheese Fritos are delicious. I am definitely a big fan of original Fritos, but these are a nice alternative because they have a big burst of flavor and they have a little bit of spice, so they are just really fun to eat. And I really like this small package. So this is a 1 ounce size, and this is perfect for having alongside your sandwich or your lunch. They are perfect to take along with you because they easily fit into a lunch bag or your purse or your desk at work or in your car, or really wherever you think you're going to need to have a salty and crunchy snack. So they definitely have an excellent crunch to them, and you can really see all the seasonings, and it definitely has a lot of flavor to it. So I think these are super fun to eat, and they're a fun alternative to your regular potato chips that you may have in your lunch. So it's a nice option. So I think you'll be really happy with this little snack, and that's my point of view.